Welcome to Skyline Square Condos, 5501 Seminary Road in Falls Church, Virginia. This unit, 113 South, features one bedroom, one bathroom, laid out over 800 square feet. A community pool, a community room, and if that's not enough, it has a deeded parking space in the garage and on-site storage unit. And don't forget, an essential feature that most one-bedroom, one-bath condos do not have, a full-size washer and dryer in unit. My favorite part about this unit is the expansive terrace looking out over the swimming pool. Reach out to the Nellis Group today.